If you wanted to clean the charging port or the USB-C port that we have on Nothing Phone 3, here are some tips that you can use when cleaning the charging port. So if you want to clean the port, you can use, for example, a toothpick, a wooden toothpick or wooden or bamboo skewer. You can use a soft toothbrush, dry one of course. We can use the compressed air, cotton swabs or Q-tips, and a flashlight. That can be also quite helpful. So the first thing that you should do is turn off your device. You don't want to clean the charging port when the device is on. So shut it down and then we can start cleaning the port. You can use, of course, the flashlight in order to look inside the port and check for lint, dust, and debris. We can gently insert a toothpick or the bamboo or wooden skewer into the charging port and carefully scrape out any visible lint or dirt. You don't want to push too deep, you want to only scrape out from the surface. You can brush lightly using a soft dry toothbrush to loosen and remove more dirt. And if you have compressed air, then you can also use it. You can give a few short bursts, hold the can upright. And optionally, if you have isopropyl alcohol, then you can lightly dampen a cotton swab or Q-tip with that isopropyl alcohol and then squeeze out the excess and gently clean inside the port and then let it air dry before turning the phone back on. In terms of cleaning the charging port, if you're wondering what you should not do, then you should avoid metal objects such as paper clips, needles, and pins. Of course, don't use water. Don't blow into the port because it adds moisture. Don't blow with your mouth, of course. And you don't want to force anything into the port. You want to be really gentle with the port in order to avoid damaging the port. And if you damage the port, then of course, as a result, you might not be able to, for example, charge your phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.